Hello, welcome to my show Audrey's Kitchen. I am Audrey and today I am going to show you few chutneys which you can serve with main course, rice, dal, sabzi or curry. As a side dish you can serve it. In my video I am trying to show you the basic recipes. First I am going to show you dal BOTA, which is lentil chutney. The ingredients required for lentil chutney are chopped lentil, chopped onion, garlic cloves, green chilies. Blend the lentil with garlic and chilies. Add salt as per your taste and chopped onion. Mix it gently. Here is our dail BOTA ready to eat. Now I am going to show you til BOTA, which is sesame chutney. The ingredients for sesame BOTA: black sesame, ginger, chopped onion. Blend the sesame with ginger. You can add fresh chilies if you like hot and spicy chutneys. Add some water while blending. Paste is ready. Now add some chopped onion and salt as per your taste. Mix it very well. It's a bit sticky. Our til BOTA is ready. Now I am going to show you a special recipe which is Panitenga and Kharoli. To make Panitenga or Kharoli, grind the black mustard seeds very well. Collect the mustard powder after sieving it. Now add salt, pinch of sugar, organic cooking soda. You have seen about organic cooking soda in my previous video. Mix it very well. To make Panitenga, you just add lime or lemon juice or tamarind water or thekera water instead of soda. You can add red chili powder. I am passing the banana leaf quickly over the flame to soften it. Now keep the paste middle of the banana leaf, bit sticky, never mind. Tie with a string. Keep for 3 days at least to ferment it a bit. Then you can have it. If you like my recipe, please like it, share it and subscribe it. See you in another episode of Audrey's Kitchen. Till then,